Hi, I'm Jim Cathcart. I'm speaking tonight at Hub 101, the co-working campus for Cal Lutheran University, and I'm speaking on the subject of how to use public speaking to grow your business or career.
Hearing someone great like Jim speaking to us, really motivational.
Jim inspires me to reach for more than I already am.
He had lots of ideas on how people could become better business people and how they could grow and develop, not only in public speaking, but in their whole professional career.
He's a legend, he's an OG, he's got the experience, he always delivers, and he's just a great man.
We ended up with a full house, and we had offered a lot of my products as a donation, for those people that donated to the cause, to the relief, offered them the opportunity to get some of my learning materials, and we sold out.